Hi everyone, Mike here with Robart and Zap Adhesives, and we're talking about a new product today. This is the new vacuum pump combo by Robart. Let's go over it. So this is part number 164 V as in Victor, P as in Paul. So V for vacuum, P for pump. And this is what you get in the package. You get the actual pump itself. You get your air connections. So let's go over these real quick. So you've got a ball needle valve here, a bulk fill for like an air mattress or a beach toy, something of that nature. And you get you get a reducer. And you get your, this is for the vacuum. It's a agitator. I think some call these just a rubber with the rubber nubs on it to agitate the carpeting and things of that nature for like in your car, RV, so on and so forth. Okay. This can be adjusted in or out just by sliding the rubber, this rubber back and forth onto the shaft. And then you get your fill extension. Nice thing about this fill extension is it fits directly on the Robart 168 100A, which is our fill valve, and that the threading is the same, and it presses on the Schrader valve inside of here. So this will work. If you're looking to purchase all of this together, you might want to consider purchasing. If you don't have an extra one, part number 168 100A is an apple, so that you can connect your airline from here to a fill chuck. So let's go ahead and go over the pump itself. So you've got some, let me see if I got the sizing on here. We'll go this way first. And that's upside down. And there we go. So your charging cord that comes with it, it's a USB charger. It's got a C cord on the other end, plugs into the C attachment input right there. This is your, we'll just use the needle valve actually. This is your choice. So either you want it to be a pump to blow out the air or a vacuum to suck in the air, and then this is the output for the extension that will go in here for the pump feature. And you have it on pump. This is your pump controls. You can pump this all the way up to the 110 psi. That's not a problem. You can hold it down, or you can hit that individually. Sorry about the glare there. So you can see we can get in the hundreds there. So it's not a problem for the Robart air systems. This button here is for a light, small light. This button is your for any presets. So they have presets for a sport ball, bicycle, a different type of bicycle it looks like. Then you get into bars, and then you get into your car feature. Now, this is what I originally, when I started playing with this is where it got confusing. So if you start getting into this cycle, if you're looking for these presets, and then you get back to here, you can't go directly to that. It stops you. So what you need to do is you need to hold down this button, okay, which will change your setting from PSI to KPA and to bar. So then you just keep hitting that all the way until there are no presets, and then hold down that button. It'll take you back to PSI. So once again, If you get caught in the presets menu, just keep hitting the button till you get to no presets above, and then hold that down until PSI shows back up. So that's the basics on the pump feature. When we go to vacuum, it goes over here. Now that's where this middle button comes in, and you have you hit the button and it slightly comes on. Then you have high and you have off. So you have low, high, and off. For extensions, and this just goes on to here. Be honest, this is great for working on your airplanes when you want to clean out the all the dust, and when you're doing some grinding. If you're using our carbide cutters, you're doing some finish work. You've got sawdust pieces and things like that around. It's a great feature for that, or a great product for that. So if you got any questions on part number 164, V as in Victor, P as in Paul, or V as in Vacuum, P as in Pump, give us a call, 630-584-7616. Check us out online at www.robart.com, or follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thank you so much. Have a great day.